Hello children. Today we are going to learn a very interesting story, Vikram Vetal. This story is about King Vikramaditya, a brave and wise king, and Vetal, a ghost who stays in a dead body. The story teaches us bravery, wisdom, and how good always wins over evil. Vikramaditya, the king of Ujjain, was busy listening to the problems of his people. One day, a monk came to his court and gave him a fruit. The king gave the fruit to his treasurer. After that day, the monk came every day and gave a fruit. उज्जैन के राजा विक्रमादित्य अपने लोगों की परेशानियां सुन रहे थे। एक दिन एक साधु दरबार में आया और राजा को एक फल दिया। राजा ने वह फल खजांची ट्रेजरर को दे दिया। उस दिन के बाद साधु रोज आता और एक फल देता था। One day the king gave the fruit to a monkey. When the monkey broke it, a shining gem came out. The king became surprised and questioned the treasurer. The treasurer said that all the fruits were stored in a corner and had spoiled, but now there was a heap of gems. एक दिन राजा ने वह फल एक बंदर को दिया। बंदर ने फल तोड़ा तो उसमें से एक चमकता हुआ रत्न जेम निकला। राजा हैरान हो गए और खजांची से पूछा कि बाकी फलों का क्या हुआ। खजांची ने कहा कि सारे फल एक कोने में जमा किए थे, वे सड़ गए हैं, लेकिन अब वहां रत्नों का ढेर है। The next day, the monk came again. The king asked why he was giving so many precious gems. The monk said he wanted to meditate and gain power. He told the king to meet him under a tree in the cremation ground. अगले दिन साधु फिर आया। राजा ने पूछा कि तुम इतने कीमती रत्न क्यों दे रहे हो? साधु ने कहा कि वह ध्यान करना चाहता है और शक्ति पाना चाहता है। उसने राजा से कहा कि वह उसे श्मशान क्रिमेशन ग्राउंड के पास एक पेड़ के नीचे मिले। It was a dark night. King Vikramaditya wore black clothes, took a sword, and went alone to the cremation ground. The place was scary with bones and skulls. Jackals were howling. Still, the brave king walked fearlessly. रात अंधेरी थी। राजा ने काले कपड़े पहने, तलवार ली और अकेले श्मशान की ओर चल दिए। वहां हड्डियां और खोपड़ियां बिखरी थीं। सियारों की आवाज आ रही थी। फिर भी बहादुर राजा बिना डरे आगे बढ़ते गए। The monk told the king to go south and bring the coats hanging on a banyan tree. The king went, climbed the tree, lifted the coats on his shoulder, and started walking. साधु ने राजा से कहा कि दक्षिण दिशा में जाओ और बरगद के पेड़ पर लटक रही लाश कोट्स को ले आओ। राजा गए, पेड़ पर चढ़े, लाश को कंधे पर उठाया और चल पड़े। Suddenly the coats spoke. It was Vetal. He said he would tell a story during the journey. If the king spoke even one word, Vetal would fly back to the tree. The king stayed silent. अचानक वह लाश बोल उठी, वह बेताल था। उसने कहा कि वह यात्रा के दौरान एक कहानी सुनाएगा। अगर राजा बोलेंगे तो वह फिर पेड़ पर उड़कर चला जाएगा। राजा चुप रहे और चलते गए। Vetal told a story and asked a question. He warned that if the king knew the answer but stayed silent, his head would burst. The king answered correctly, so Vetal flew back to the tree. बेताल ने कहानी सुनाई और एक सवाल पूछा। उसने चेतावनी दी कि अगर राजा उत्तर जानते हुए भी चुप रहे तो उनका सिर फट जाएगा। राजा ने सही उत्तर दिया और बेताल फिर पेड़ पर उड़ गया। The king kept bringing Vetal back again and again, but each time Vetal asked a question, and after the answer, he flew away. Finally, Vetal revealed that the monk was evil and wanted to kill the king to gain evil powers. राजा बार बार बेताल को वापस लाते रहे, लेकिन हर बार उत्तर देने पर बेताल उड़ जाता। आखिर में बेताल ने बताया कि साधु एक दुष्ट आदमी है। वह बुरी शक्ति पाने के लिए राजा को मारना चाहता है। The king went to the monk with the coats. The monk asked the king to bow down. The king understood the danger. He asked the monk to show him how to bow. When the monk bent down, the king cut off his head. राजा बेताल को लेकर साधु के पास गए। साधु ने राजा को सिर झुकाने को कहा। राजा समझ गए कि यह खतरनाक है। उन्होंने साधु से कहा कि पहले वह तरीका बताएं। जैसे ही साधु झुका, राजा ने उसकी गर्दन काट दी। Vetal appeared and blessed the king. He told him that he had saved the world from evil. The king asked for a boon, that all the stories Vetal told him should become famous. बेताल प्रकट हुआ और राजा को आशीर्वाद दिया। उसने कहा कि राजा ने दुनिया को एक बुराई से बचा लिया। राजा ने वर मांगा कि बेताल की सभी कहानियां दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध हों। न्यू वर्ड्स। 1. वोस ग्रीफ प्रॉब्लम्स, दुख परेशानियां। 2. ट्रेजरर, अ पर्सन इन चार्ज ऑफ मनी और ट्रेजर, खजांची। 3. एमर्ज्ड, केम आउट, बाहर निकला। 4. होर्डेड, स्टोर्ड, जमा किया। 5. क्रिमेशन ग्राउंड, प्लेस टू बर्न डेड बॉडीज, श्मशान। 6. ड्रेडफुल, फियरफुल, स्कैरी, भयानक। 7. स्कैटर्ड, डिस्पर्स्ड, फैला हुआ। 8. कोट्स, डेड बॉडी, लाश। 9. राइट्स, रिलीजियस एक्ट्स, धार्मिक कर्म। 10. रिचुअल्स, रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस, धार्मिक प्रक्रिया। एक्सरसाइज। 1. आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस। A. What did the monk give to the king Vikramaditya? Answer. The monk gave a golden fruit to the king Vikramaditya. B. Where did the monk tell the king Vikramaditya to come? Answer. The monk told the king Vikramaditya that come to the tree which is in the cremation ground. C. Why did the monk want power? Answer. The monk wants to get evil power to rule over the world. D. What did the king Vikramaditya do with the evil man? Answer. The king drew his sword and cut off the head of that evil man. Though right, true or false? A. King Vikramaditya was brave and wise. True. B. The treasurer ate all the fruits. False. C. The king was fearful when he reached the cremation ground. False. D. King Vikramaditya did not bring the coats. False. E. Vetal was satisfied with the answers of Vikram. True. Teen, fill in the blanks. Words, evil, quotes, precious, scenery, interesting, kill. A. There were precious gems in the fruit. B. The scenery was dreadful. C. A quotes was hanging on the tree. D. Vetal narrated an interesting story. E. The monk was really an evil man. F. The monk wanted to kill the king. Char, choose the correct option. A. King Vikramaditya ruled over. Answer. 1. Ujjain. B. The quotes was hanging on a tree. Answer. 3. Banyan. C. One day the king gave the fruit to A. Answer. 2. Monkey. D. There was in the monk's fruit. Answer. 1. Gem. 5. Match the animals with their sound. Animal sound. A. Jackal. 4. Howl. B. Snake. 1. Hiss. C. Tiger. 2. Roar. D. Cow. 3. Moo. E. Horse. 8. Neigh. F. Squirrel. 9. Squeak. G. Duck. 5. Quack. H. Dog. 6. Bark. I. Owl. 7. Hoot. Che. Add ly to make a new word. A. Sudden. Suddenly. B. Month. Monthly. C. Quick. Quickly. D. Happy. Happily. E. Correct. Correctly. F. Proper. Properly. G. Quite. Quietly. H. Brave. Bravely. I. Rare. Rarely. J. Thorough. Thoroughly. 7. Make new words using letters of cremation ground. Examples. A. Cream. B. Around. C. Tiger. D. Ground. E. God. F. Mango. G. Mat. H. Time. I. Sound. Thank you for watching. This is Study Solution with Ravi Kumar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.